Hello everybody, it's your girl Frugal Mama, and today we have a taste test. Check it out, check it out. We have Herr's fire roasted sweet corn popcorn. Okay. This came from this is gluten, well, popcorn is gluten free. So let's see. 230 calories. Look at all that sodium. Woo woo. Oh well, we're just gonna try it out. Saturated fat 4 grams. Total fat 14. Ooh, Lordy. Do not look at the nutritional fact. Okay. Let's see. Tasha said the lady at the store said that they were really good. They are, right? I'm gonna pick it up a little bit. You can kind of taste a little bit of what they call a fire roasted. It's not real sweet. I'm like, what are calories coming in there? It's all right. Would I buy it again? I ain't buy it this time. Just to tell you the truth. But it wouldn't be something I'd be like, ooh, can you pick up some of that? Nah. Not bad. It's like forever good. If you tried these, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Peace.